Hello? Is there anybody here in this big house?
Good morning, young lady. Please, talk very quietly here.
Oh, I am sorry. This place is very large and beautiful.
Welcome to the Central Library. My name is Oscar.
Hi, Oscar. I'm Sophie. I am a university student.
It is nice to meet you. Do you like books, Sophie?
I love books very much, but today I have a problem.
Tell me about your problem. I help everyone find answers.
I need a very special book for my history exam.
History is a great subject. What is the book's name?
It is called The Secrets of the Sun. Have you heard of it?
Yes, I know it. It is a very rare book.
Oh, thank goodness. I looked in 5 other shops today.
This is not a shop. This is a palace of stories.
You are right. It feels like a palace. It is so tall.
We have 1 million books here. They are all my friends.
1 million is a big number. Do you remember them all?
I remember their names and their smells. Every book is different.
That is amazing, Oscar. You must have a great memory.
Practice makes perfect, Sophie. I work here for 20 years.
20 years is a long time. You are a real expert.
I try my best every day. Now, let's find your book.
Is it on the first floor or is it very high?
It is on the top floor. We need to use the stairs.
I am ready for the walk. I have strong legs today.
Follow me, please. Be careful with the old wooden floor.
It makes a funny sound, like it is talking to us.
The floor is old and tired. It likes to rest sometimes.
I will walk very softly. I don't want to wake it.
Thank you, Sophie. Let's go up to the 3rd floor.
Wow, look at these stairs. They go round and round.
They are spiral stairs. They save a lot of space.
I feel a little bit dizzy, but the view is great.
Look at the windows. The light is perfect for reading.
I see many people down there. They are all very quiet.
Quiet people are happy people. They are traveling in their minds.
That is a beautiful thought. Books are like small planes.
Yes, they fly you to different countries and times.
We are at the top now. It is a bit dusty.
Dust is the skin of time. It protects the old pages.
Achoo! I think the dust is a bit ticklish.
Bless you, Sophie. Here, use this clean paper tissue.
Thank you, Oscar. You are a very kind gentleman.
Now, let's look at section S. S for sun.
I see sea, stars, and sky, but no sun.
Wait, let me check behind these large green books.
Is it a small book, or is it big and heavy?
It is medium size. The cover is bright yellow like gold.
I don't see anything yellow here. Maybe it is lost.
Books are never lost. They're just playing hide and seek.
You think the books are alive, don't you?
They have voices, Sophie. You just need to listen well. Ah, I found something interesting. Look at this blue box.
What is inside the box? Is it a secret message?
It is a key, a very old and heavy iron key.
What does it open? A secret door in the wall?
It opens the forbidden room. That is where the sun is.
The forbidden room? That sounds very exciting and scary.
It is not scary. It is just for very old things.
Let's go there. I want to see the yellow book.
Here is the door. It is made of dark oak wood.
It is very beautiful. I see a lion on the handle.
The lion is the guard. He protects the ancient stories.
Can I turn the key? I want to hear the lock.
Yes, go ahead. Turn it to the right side, please.
Click. The door is open now.
Welcome to the heart of the library. It is very dark.
I can see small sparks in the air. What is that?
Those are just dust particles in the sunlight. It looks magic.
It feels magic too. The air is very cool here.
Look at that table. There is a yellow book on it.
Is that it? The Secrets of the Sun? I found it.
You are very lucky. Someone left it on the table yesterday.
The cover is so soft. It feels like silk.
It is made of old leather. It is 200 years old.
200 years? That is older than my great-grandmother.
Much older. It has many secrets inside its pages.
Can I open it now? I want to see the pictures.
Please, use these white gloves. Your hands have natural oils.
I feel like a doctor or a scientist.
You are a researcher today. Open it very, very slowly.
Look at this drawing. It is a map of the stars.
It is a beautiful map. It shows the sun and the planets.
The colors are so bright. Why is the moon so big?
In the old days, people thought the moon was a giant.
That is a funny idea. Giants in the night sky.
Every age has its own ideas. That is why we study.
I need to write these notes for my history exam.
You can stay here. This room is very quiet and peaceful.
Thank you, Oscar. This is the best study place ever. Oscar, look at this. There is a hidden map inside.
A hidden map? I never saw that before.
It was between page 50 and page 51.
It looks like a map of our city, but it is very old.
I see the river, and I see the big park.
But look at this red cross. It is in the library.
A red cross in the library? Is it a treasure map?
Maybe the treasure is another book, a golden one.
Let's follow the map. It says 10 steps from the lion.
The lion is the door handle. Let's count the steps.
1, 2, 3, 4. I am walking very straight.
5, 6, 7, 8. You are near the big shelf.
9 and 10. I am standing in front of the wall.
There's no book here, only an old blue vase.
Wait, look inside the vase. There is a small paper.
It says the sun shines in the basement.
The basement? But it is very dark and cold down there.
Not always. There is a special room for golden books.
I am not afraid of the dark. I have a flashlight.
I have a big lamp. Let's go down the stone stairs.
These stairs are cold. My feet can feel the stone.
We are going deep under the ground now, Sophie.
I hear some water. Is there a river under the library?
No, it is just an old pipe. The building is very old.
Here is another door. It has a sun on it.
This is the sunroom. It is a very warm place.
Wow, it is full of golden light.
The light comes from the high windows. It is sunset.
It is beautiful. All the books here have golden covers.
This is the most expensive room in the whole library. The sun is going down. I will light some candles.
The candles make the room look like a magic castle.
I like the smell of beeswax. It is very natural.
I am sitting in this big chair. It is very soft.
That chair is for serious readers. Are you a serious reader?
I am today. I have so much information for my exam.
What did you learn about the sun from the book?
People thought the sun was a gold chariot in the sky.
A chariot with white horses. It is a very fast idea.
And they believed the sun was the king of all stars.
That is true. The sun is the center of our world.
I have 3 pages of notes now. My teacher will be happy.
I am happy too. You are a very hard-working student.
I am getting a bit tired. My eyes are a little heavy.
Close your eyes for 5 minutes. The library is a safe place.
I can hear the clock. Tick-tock, tick-tock.
Time moves slowly here. It is a world of dreams.
I dream about flying in the sky with the sun chariot.
That is a wonderful dream. Stay in the clouds.
Oh, did I sleep for a long time?
Only 10 minutes? You look very fresh and rested now.
I am ready to finish my work. Where is my pen?
It is on the table, near your blue notebook.
Thank you, Oscar. You are like a grandfather to me.
I am just a man who loves his books and his students.
I want to come here every weekend. Is that okay?
You are always welcome. I will save this chair for you.
I will bring some lemon cookies next time.
I love lemon cookies. They are my favorite snack.
Then it is a deal. Cookies and books together. I am finished. My report is ready and it is perfect.
I am very proud of you, Sophie. You are a star.
I need to put the yellow book back on the shelf.
No, wait. Look at the very last page of the book.
There is a name written here. Oscar Wood.
Yes, I wrote that book 25 years ago.
You? You are the author of The Secrets of the Sun?
I was a young historian then. I loved the stars very much.
Why did you not tell me before? You're a famous writer.
I am not famous. I am just a man who knows a lot.
This is amazing. Can you sign my notebook, please?
Of course, I will write a special message for you.
To Sophie, the bravest explorer of the library.
Keep exploring, Sophie. The world is full of secrets.
I will never forget this day. It was like a movie.
Every day in a library can be a movie if you are curious.
I am putting on my coat. It is dark outside now.
The streetlights are on. Be careful on your way home.
I have my bag and my notes. I am ready for the exam.
Good luck tomorrow. I know you will get an A.
I will call you and tell you my mark, Oscar.
I will be here, near the lion door, waiting for you.
Goodbye, my friend. Thank you for the magic.
Goodbye, Sophie. Thank you for the company.